Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into the Gmail account currently linked to the other address. Once signed in, make sure you have the other account's credentials ready and two-step verification enabled if Google requires it. Next, go straight to Settings and open Accounts and import to check linked addresses and mail delegation. Do this now so you can see active forwarding, send as entries, and delegated users. Having backups exported ensures you won't lose messages when unlinking. Now proceed to remove the actual connections. In Accounts and Import, delete any secondary send as addresses and revoke delegation. You need to click Remove and Confirm. Then switch to Forwarding and POP/IMAP and turn off any forwarding rules, saving changes so mail stops routing. If you used an app password or third-party access, visit Security Third-Party Apps and remove access. These steps cut active links, so the account stops sharing mail and permissions immediately. Finish by signing out of both accounts and clearing your browser cache, or use an incognito window to sign back in separately. This verifies the unlinking took effect. Send test messages both ways and confirm there is no automatic forwarding or delegated access. If you still see linkage, reset the passwords for both accounts and recheck security, your devices, and recent activity to revoke any lingering sessions or app access. That usually resolves stubborn linkage problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.